Everybody, I'm back. I'm back in Brooklyn. Well, I was in Brooklyn already. We saw the sunset a little bit earlier in the hazy, smoky New York City, but now we're going to walk down to Squibb Park Bridge. There's a walking bridge, everybody, that everybody loves. And it's a beautiful, when people post videos, it always does really well. It's a beautiful scene of Manhattan. I should say lower Manhattan right here with the bridge. You can kind of see the walking bridge right here. Let me zoom in. There's the walking bridge right there. But it has a beautiful view with the city behind it. So I'll show you guys how to get there. Hopefully service is okay. We lose it up here sometimes, but I will show you how beautiful it is. I'm surprised there's not one person walking on it right now. It's a popular bridge. There's somebody. See? One person. We're going to walk down there right now to the bridge. And you're going to love it. I'll show you how to get there. All I did was walk from... well, we were on the promenade just a moment ago. That's where I went. But this is where I walked from, right here. This street that the last video we just did. This is the street I was on. It takes you right to the subway, the A train. So you have to be in the very last car. So if you are coming from Times Square at 42nd Street, be in the last car of the subway, and then right when you come out of the car, it takes you up the escalator to the subway stop you want to be at. That brings you upstairs to the end of this road. Basically, you're gonna see a little walkway through some trees, takes you right to this road. You just walk straight from the subway station, just a few blocks, here to this view. To High Street, H-I-G-H Street. It's the first stop in Brooklyn, right after Fulton Street in Manhattan. So we're right over a highway right now. So you guys can see it's pretty... But we'll walk down to the bridge. Let's walk down to this awesome bridge right here. You'll love it. Super cool. But we're over like a 3-tiered highway system right here. The promenade is on top, as you can see. It's a beautiful walk. There's the promenade, see up there? Above those semis. This is the BQE, the Bronx Queen Expressway, I think. I don't have a car, I'm never on it. Anyway, so then also there is the Statue of Liberty in the smoky distance. See right there? That's the Statue of Liberty. There she is, holding her torch up, welcoming everyone. That's my ride that just went by. Okay, so let's walk down to the Squibb Park Bridge. There's a hot dog stand. But it's just right here. We're gonna walk down right here. There's a gentleman praying. I didn't want to be in his way right there. So as you look down, here, you can see the Brooklyn Bridge and the Manhattan Bridge through it. Hey, Mohammed, what's up? Hey, Petra. So, but anyway, what you're going to do is you're just take a left right here. There's like a basketball court or whatever. I don't know if it's about a tennis court, something. It's playground. I don't know what it is. Squibb Park Playground. And so what you're going to do is you're going to walk in here. And it says, hello everybody. Then we're gonna meander down this walkway and we'll be right on the bridge. And so you guys can see how to get onto this little awesome walkway, this walking bridge that people love. Hopefully service stays. We always lose service right here, so let's hope service does well, because you can see the bridge right there. So if I lose you, there's the bridge. See? That person's walking on it. But I want to show you the view as we get on the bridge. because it's beautiful views of Lower Manhattan. As you can see, the bridge kind of leads into Manhattan, Lower Manhattan right there. And you're gonna want to get pictures there and videos. People absolutely love it, so it's really cool. Oh, Denise, awesome. That'd be great. Look at these luxury apartments. There's a restroom. Let me kind of pan up. I don't want to never video it. There's a restroom right here. Okay. We're almost there, you guys. We're almost there. This bridge is amazing. I love it. I've taken some of my favorite videos here. Absolutely love it. Hey, my friends, how are you? Okay, so now this is the bridge. We're gonna take a right on the bridge. Well, you have to take a right because that's the way it goes, but here we go. You're gonna see, look at this, you guys. Look how awesome that is. What a view, what a view. What a Lower Manhattan view, a New York City view. Okay, so we're walking the bridge. Look how cool this is. Come on, service, stay with us. Do you ever go to East Harlem? Greg, I do not. I kind of live above West Harlem. That's kind of on the opposite side. I don't. I did have some friends stay at an Airbnb in East Harlem a few months ago. So I met my friends there every day to help them figure out the subway. So I walked all across Harlem to get from West Harlem to East Harlem. And then here's the highway I was showing you guys too, that we were just on top of. That's where I was talking to you guys above this highway, like a triple decker highway, New York City style, you know. But anyway, so this is what I'm going to show you. Look there's nobody on the bridge, which is super crazy. What a beautiful view, huh? Here comes some people. But you can't beat this view, you guys. Even with the smoke, it's so awesome. Isn't this cool? And look how pretty that is. What a view, huh? So you can get your best videos and photos right here. I always want to show people this spot. Hey, Ed from Bogota, what's up, Lori? Hey, Hazrat, how are you? Hey, Peace Rose. Jola, Malak. Hey, Melba, what's up? I'm gonna see your friends, right, Melba? Day after tomorrow. They're smart, they have masks on. I should have a mask on. Mohammed, yeah, I'll do Grand Central. I do go there once in a while. I have done quite a few videos there. But I'll do it again, my friend. Hey, Alfia, what's up from Indonesia? Janice from Canada, Winnipeg. What's up, Tina? Hey, Ronnie. Hey, Olinda. Hey, my Kim from Korea. Olinda. How are we doing, everybody? Miranda. Bella, what's up? Gorgeous, huh? You guys got Petra, you got to do this next time. Now you know how to get here. It's a heavenly view. And then in the winter time, it is, there's no leaves. So obviously the view opens up a little bit more. So the view's a lot more open, which is really nice too. But regardless, it's a beaut. see if we can walk down to Brooklyn Bridge Park so you guys can see how to meander in my hood. Well, New York City, I'm saying, is my hood, I would say. Petra, I would be tempted to look in those people's windows. I mean, since I'm doing a video, I'm not, but I usually do. Like I can see somebody now down here on their couch. But I mean, they can put curtains up, you know. Okay, you guys, let me see. I don't want to. If I look through this video and then walk down the steps, I might trip. So we're just gonna walk through the water of the skyline, and then I'll let you go for the evening. There's a walkway right here. See the Brooklyn Bridge right in the middle? We're gonna walk right past it. Well, not past it. You just see it. See the one Manhattan, the tall building? So we're gonna walk right here into the woods of New York City. It's really pretty. And then the skyline's gonna open up and it's gonna be incredible. I'm lost. I'm completely lost. Just kidding. What a pretty walkway. And then the second is going to open up, and actually they do movies in this lawn we're going to walk onto right now next week. And I'm going to come here and do some content of this beautiful space right here coming up, where they do movies on the lawn. We could have walked right here too. Could have walked up these steps, but we took a different, there's a few ways to get up here. But here we go. Right here, this is an opening. How nice this is, you guys. Look. Not too many people on the lawn tonight, but this is where they do the movies starting next Friday night. So if you're in New York City and you want to watch a movie with the skyline behind it, this is the place to be. A free movie Friday nights starting next Friday for 4 weeks, I think it is. How nice, huh? And then you see all of Lower Manhattan right here. Sorry, I can't see your comments. I'm paying attention to it's kind of dark. My phone makes it look a lot brighter than it really is. But then look at this walkway. This is, just a little part of Brooklyn Bridge Park. Brooklyn Bridge Park right here. You can meander another mile or whatever down Brooklyn Bridge Park, maybe half mile, along the water, and it's stunning down to the Manhattan Bridge, because you're gonna walk underneath the Brooklyn Bridge right here. You'll walk underneath it, and then you continue to the Manhattan Bridge, which you see straight ahead too. And that's where Dumbo is, down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass. That's the Dumbo neighborhood, with that famous view of the Manhattan Bridge at the end of the street. And then we can see, I hear some music. There's got to be a party boat going by. Oh, it's over here. Must be Pier 17. That's really cool. That's a beautiful space right there. I do videos there. They have the Fulton restaurant that I did a video from. There's a concert on the top floor. Look, I can hear them hooting and hollering. You can hear those loud, crazy kids. Mohammed, how late can tourists stay safely in the streets? That's a good question. I walk on the streets day and night at all times, so I don't even think about it, but I'm not a tourist. I'd say till 11, I don't know, midnight, 10, 11 p.m. I don't know if you guys can hear them. They're cheering so loud over there. I love it. I'd love to wish. Too bad we didn't go over there too, or we weren't on that side tonight. But anyway, it's beautiful regardless. And now you can see the Empire State Building right here. Where are you, Empire State Building? I just saw you. There you are, Empire State Building right in the center of the screen. And then we can see the Chrysler Building. Look at how foggy it is and smoky because you can't see the buildings. There's the Chrysler Building right there, the pointy. And then we got a party boat right here on the river, on the East River right here. Everybody's partying and dancing. Those are fun. Hey Jason, what's up, buddy? Aloha. And then here comes the New York City Ferry right here. I love to take the New York City Ferry. It's only $4. Every time I do a tour, a lot of times we end up on it and I show you guys. It's so cool. I love it. It's only $4. It's the coolest thing up and down the East River. Super is cool. One of my favorite things to do is the New York City Ferry. There's a whole bunch of them too. So there's another one. That's coming from Wall Street. That one's going to Wall Street. What it does, and then it comes back up here to the Brooklyn Bridge. And then it continues forward up to Williamsburg, to Greenpoint, to Long Island City, to 34th Street on Manhattan side, and then it comes back and it'll take you up to Roosevelt Island, and then up to 96th Street is where it ends. What a beautiful summer night, you guys. I absolutely love summer in the city. Summer in New York City is amazing. It's just a beautiful time to be in the city too. You know, it's just t-shirts and shorts, and the breeze off the water is gorgeous. You know, I did a video last night walking on the Brooklyn Bridge at nighttime. I love it. In the summer, I do a lot of night videos because I just like to show you guys how awesome it is at night to walk in the city. You know, it's amazing. I love it. Makes me so happy to walk around New York City at nighttime with all the lights and the, you know, just the energy. It's great, and the weather. There is a humongous concert over there. I can hear them. It's so amazing. Wonder who's playing tonight. Betcha took a picture of the Brooklyn Bridge. That's awesome. Over to Manhattan on Christmas tour. Oh, on the Christmas tour. That's awesome. Hey guys, so I gotta hop on the subway. It's 9 o'clock. The only reason I want to get on the subway now, I'm gonna walk up the. Well, I'm gonna walk this way because after 10 o'clock it goes to late night service, so it takes forever. So I want to get home and I live way up at the top of Manhattan. So I would see that train right there, that subway on the bridge. That's going into Manhattan. And then I would have to continue way up 175 streets up to where I live, which is fine. It's no big deal, but it goes usually local or whatever on the weekends, and it takes forever. So back to our Muhammad's question earlier. I think it was Muhammad, right, who asked that question? You know, how late is it? You know, for tourists to be out. Well, I don't think it's dangerous personally, but subway wise, you want to be on it before 10 o'clock to get back, just because it goes to late night service and you don't want to be on this train forever. And sometimes they do construction, so the lines change and you might be rerouted. So go before 10, get back before 10 p.m. But I mean, you can walk around if you're in Times Square and stuff, obviously much later. Can't wait to visit next summer. You were there in February, Sharon. It was cold. Yeah, it is cold in February, definitely. But walking in the summertime is Can you guys hear everybody yelling and screaming? It's so cool with that concert over there. I want to be over there. I want to see what's going on. And they're red, and all the red lights at South Street Seaport, or Seaport is called. So we're just going back up to the bridge. Hey, Irfan from Pakistan, what's up? Maria, dusky hours are magical. I agree. And this is where the ferry is. The ferry's pulling in right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at the city behind us.
I'll be over here.
Crazy kids. Okay, so there's the ferry over there. Sorry. And all these people are in line to hop on the ferry. See how that all the people right there? They're all waiting for the ferry. Hey Gabriella, how are you? Hey Pablo. Oh, awesome, Pablo. The Tina Turner video. What's love got to do with it? Gabriella from Guanajuato. Make sure I'm saying it right. I want to continue up the street here, up to the subway. That's where we're going. So if you want to hang out, we're going to up on the subway. In about 5 blocks we got to walk up. No. So you guys have an idea about Brooklyn Bridge. Can't see. I'm getting blinded by the light. Look at the beautiful Brooklyn Bridge, my friends. There's a Llewellyn ice cream place right here in this building and kind of underneath the bridge. Right there. That's a great ice cream spot. And then we have another ice cream spot right here. I'll show you. Brooklyn Ice Cream Factory. It's really nice. It's probably going to be packed. It's always busy. Shake Shack is right there in the corner underneath the Brooklyn Bridge. The bridge looks like it's on top of it right there. Sorry I can't see your comments. I'm paying attention to people in traffic. I'm gonna wipe off my phone. Oops, sorry. I don't know what's going on here. That helped. What's going on? My phone is going crazy right now. Hold please. Your call is important. There you are, you're back. This thing. Okay, so this is Brooklyn Ice Cream Factory, and look how busy it is. Always busy. That's how you know. You just walk straight up the street past Brooklyn Ice Cream Factory to the subway. Busy, busy, busy. If I was to go up this road, up the hill right here, if I was going to go up this hill right here, that would take us right to Squibb Park Bridge. Where I walked down to the, the playground or whatever. And then here's a bunch of restaurants and Shake Shack and everything, and Giuliana's Pizza, and then we have Grimaldi's Pizza right in the corner here, which is one of the most famous pizza places in the country. Grimaldi's, one of the original pizza joints in New York City. It's very famous. Right here on the corner, you get the building right here. And there's Giuliana's, the sister pizza place right there. And here's a big old tractor, bulldozer. But anyway, right there is Grimaldi's. And then if I walk down this road, that'll take you to Dumbo. But all roads lead to Dumbo right here. Here I am walking at night in New York City to show you how awesome it is at night too. See the city? There's the city. Manhattan behind us. Just gonna walk up a couple blocks to the subway. Walking backwards. Oh, I lost you guys for a second. Always hold on. I'm going to keep walking. I'm not going to give up on you. I lost you for about a minute. All I did was walk a block. I lost you guys. So thanks for hanging on. Just always hang on for a minute, you guys, and I'll be right back, hopefully. I lost service. Come on, traffic. I got things to do. I got to get home. Okay, let's go. Two more blocks to the subway, you guys. Almost there. Okay, we're almost there. We're walking uphill. We're walking parallel to the Brooklyn Bridge right here. This is the Brooklyn Bridge. And the entrance to the Brooklyn Bridge is literally on the other side of the street right there. There's the entrance. It'll be right here. If you cross the street, the entrance to the Brooklyn Bridge is right underneath the bridge, so to speak. It's just on the other side. So what you're going to do is walk down to this light, or just walk from the subway across the park. It's super easy. I'll talk to him more in just a second. The Brooklyn Bridge has an arrow because that's for traffic, not for people. Almost there. So the entrance to the Brooklyn Bridge is right here. You just walk under the bridge, and it's just right to your right. Well, you'll see a food truck. You'll see a bunch of food trucks. It's literally right there. So if you get off the subway where we're going right now, you just walk down there, just a block down under the bridge. It's right there. That's where, see, they're walking. They're walking right here underneath the bridge, underneath where the red light is. You see the red light? On the other side, just go right there's a right. Just take a look to your right, and that'll be the entrance to the bridge. So the subway is right here, right across the street. Same side of the street. As we walk under more scaffolding. But what I do, this is how I walk the Brooklyn Bridge. I'm going to tell you a couple things right here. So when I got off the subway, which is right here, there's three directions we can go. You can go. And they all connect, so it's easy. Well, I live here, so it's easy. I mean, I know what I'm doing. So, got a bunch of motorcycles. It's kind of cool. Okay, so here's the subway right behind me. Here's where you can stand right here and get the subway. It's right straight ahead. Right there is the subway I'm going to take. But what I do is when I get off the subway, I can go straight down the hill that we were just on and take it straight to Shake Shack and Brooklyn Ice Creamery, just so you know. And then, or I can do this. I can cross the street right here where the orange construction things are, and that's a park. All you do is walk just a little bit, just across the park, just a little tiny park. There's a street right there. Look to your left, walk a few feet down, and there's the entrance to the Brooklyn Bridge. That's what I do. Or you can just walk straight down to Dumbo, where you see the Manhattan Bridge, all the restaurants, all the cool area down there in the Dumbo neighborhood. So there's one option is straight down the road right here to, you know, Brooklyn Ice Creamery. Across this, I need some water from the smoke, I think. Excuse me. Go here, across the street to the Brooklyn Bridge. Or when you get off the subway, you can do this. So here's the subway right here. When I walked off today, off the subway, I went right here, and there's a little walkway, and there's a street that takes you straight to the Brooklyn Promenade, where we went to the walking bridge, the really pretty bridge we were just on. That'll take you straight there, right to it, just a couple blocks. So there's so many things you can do from this spot right here. Do you guys need direction help while I'm standing here?
No, we've never been here ever.
No, we're actually going towards.
Okay, I can tell you how to get there easily. Are you gonna walk it? Is that what you're doing?
Yes.
Okay, to make it easy.
Yeah.
Right here, you see, I'm doing a live video explaining it too. So you see the orange construction things right there?
Yeah.
See the person walking across the street?
Yeah.
Just go there. It's a little park. Just go. It's safe too. Don't worry. Just walk across the park. It's only like, 5 minutes tops.
Perfect.
You can see the end of it where that building is. Look to your left. You'll see the entrance to the bridge.
Fantastic.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna take my phone out of the phone stabilizer real quick because I don't want people knowing I'm getting on the bridge. Connie. Those are bots. I'll get home and I spend half a day deleting and blocking all the comments that people like hop on your own comment and say I'm interested in meeting you. You know, have to block. It's a lot of work. Facebook, I wish they would do something about it. It is so hard. I mean, I can't even get my messages on Facebook to answer your messages via Facebook because it is so much spam and all that. It is unbelievable. And bots, I've never seen anything like it. And same with on the comments and after every video, even going personally to all your comments, if anybody says hello to you in the comments, they're always a bot. And they'll always be like, oh, you're pretty, or to a girl, or to a guy, you're handsome, or whatever. Or like, I want to be friends. A friend requests me. They're always bots, never answer. I try to get on it and then block them and everything, but it's a lot. It's overwhelming. So just, nobody is on there to be your friend. And if there's ever a link, I gotta put my backpack down. If there's ever a link, don't click on it because a lot of times it's not good. They're trying to hack you or whatever. So I'm just giving you some info. And sometimes to try and delete and block, I block them and then have to delete them. And sometimes I accidentally click the links because I'm zipping through and I'm like, oh no. And I click on like, oh great, I hope I didn't do something bad. Okay, I'm just trying to zip up my backpack with one hand. Okay, I think we got it. Just be careful of the spam and all that, or anybody talking to you. They are not real people. And you can also, too, look at their profile pic. It's always just one pic or two pics, and that's it. They always look like models or something. It's ridiculous. So just be aware. So let's hop on the subway. We're going to go down to the subway.
Oh my God! I like seeing them out your Yeah. That's so cute. You see them out.
What time is it? Let's see what time it is. Oh, it's perfect. I'll make it home.
I saw one just before.
And I have to get my friends' photos to them tonight. It's pretty much done. Okay, I'm gonna tap my phone. I tap my phone, and here we go. We're gonna get on the escalator and go on down to the train.
Yeah, exactly.
These are deep escalators.
I mean, I have to figure out science.
Oh, I think I hear the subway. Oh, we missed it. We missed it. That's okay, though. So, hey, there's a whole bunch always. Is it leaving right now? Sorry. Actually, this is the correct one. So what I want to do now, too, is I want to be at the very end car, because that'll get me closest to my apartment when I get off the subway. So I always personally try to be in the last car. If I can't, it's okay. But, you know, living here, you get to know what your favorite car is to make it easier. So right when I hop off the train at my house or my area, I just can hop on or just hop right off and then run up the stairs. It's 5 minutes. There's a lot of construction here. So, I mean, I live here, so I know how to walk on these, but be careful if you're here visiting. It's like a maze. This side seems a little bit safer, meaning not too close to the tracks. Okay, you guys, sorry I missed so many comments because I'm trying to pay attention to the subway and everything. Oh, I lost you for a second. Let me get over here. I can't stand. I lost you for 2 seconds. I gotta stand back over here. Anybody have any questions while we're waiting for the subway, my friends? Oh, thanks, Nancy. Hey, Marianne. Man. Hey, Maria. What's up? Hey, Kazi. Hey, Patrick. What's up? You here to yell at people today for me? Which is a good thing for, you know, bots or whatever. Okay, you guys are gonna hop on the subway. Oh, Kathy, what a good question. How hot is it in the subway? It's not that hot right now. And I'm glad you brought that up, you guys, because in the middle of the summer, the subway is so hot. I mean, just standing here for a few minutes, you get drenched. And then in the middle of the winter, it's ice cold, freezing. But, you know, I forget because majority of the year it's decent, you know, maybe March, March, April, it gets really nice to get, well, I don't say nice, but, you know, temperate till, you know, November. And then it gets cold and those, hot, I'm sorry, in summertime. Like July and August are crazy hot, like miserable hot. Here comes the subway. I can feel the breeze. It might be, my phone might be windy right now, but the subway's pushing the wind through the tunnel. That's how I always know a subway's coming. It gets windy. In certain subway stations, like right here, it's super windy right now. Okay, that's not my train though, because it's going into Brooklyn. It came from Manhattan, going into Brooklyn. I'm going from Brooklyn here into Manhattan. It should be here any second though. Yeah, Patrick. Oh yeah, it was cold on Thanksgiving. You're right. Hey, Kimberly from Tunisia, from Tasmania. Oh, thanks, Ricardo. Used to live in Brooklyn Heights. That's amazing. I love this area. Adam, what's for the 4th, my friend? Good question. Exclusively jazz. Hey, you're awesome, my friend. Oh, thanks. How are you, my friend? Patrick is joking. Patrick's asking about crime and why it's so horrible. He's joking. Hey, Michael, thank you. Adam, for the 4th of July, I will be at the summit. I'll be at the summit overlooking, you know, the Chrysler Building, the fireworks, way up top, hoping to get my awesome fireworks videos like I got last year. It's one of my favorite places to go. Yep, at the summit. Okay, now I feel some, we'll see here. Maria, don't take the wrong train. Yeah, well, at least on this side I can't. Right here I can't take the wrong train. I've never been to the Rockaways. That's a good question. Yep. Come on, train. I love these people singing. People are singing because the acoustics. I love it. Listen, and they're funny. I love it. They're singing. I love this city. Everybody's, you know, for the most part, everybody gets along and pretty happy. Okay, here comes the subway. I'm not going to talk because I don't want people to know I'm talking on the subway and, you know, recording, whatever. But thanks for hanging out, everybody. Have a great day. I feel the wind. That's right. Have a great day, everybody, or a great night wherever you are in the world. Take care. Sorry. Whoop. Sorry. I'm sorry. Pardon me.